Multi-SKU packaging lines hit a wall at palletizing. A fixed palletizer locks in one stack pattern, and manual stackers are hard to hire. Can a Cobot handle this post? Yes, for packaging under 20 kilograms, a Cobot is the right fit. Switching stack patterns runs on drag to teach. The operator demonstrates the new pattern by hand. The cell generates the new program in minutes. No programmer call-out, no mechanical retool. Fenceless and shared space. The operator stands next to the robot to top up, label, and scan. The robot decelerates on contact. The floor saved by no fencing is real square footage. On typical deployments, a Cobot palletizer in multi-SKU packaging pays back in 6 to 9 months, much faster than a fixed-purpose palletizer's heavy capex. Cobot palletizer versus fixed palletizer, less than or equal to 20 kilograms, multi-SKU, shared space, moderate rate Cobot, greater than or equal to 50 kilograms, single SKU, high rate industrial heavy payload or dedicated machine. 3C small part packaging, medical consumable assortments, end-of-line mixed consumer goods, light food and beverage, all good fits for Cobot palletizing. Cobot palletizing isn't replacing heavy industrial. It covers the small batch, flexible segment heavy industrial can't reach. This is EVST. We deploy Cobots on flexible palletizing posts.